Marigolds are one of the most easily recognizable symbols of Día de los Muertos. They are often known to give off a scent perceived as death-like, reeking of bitter herbs and overripeness. Thus, the marigold, or often known as flor de muerto, is included in altars as a means for attracting dead souls to visit. For this project, you will need a small wooden stick. This could be a wooden chopstick, a thick toothpick, or even a pencil. Crepe paper. For this flower, we'll be using yellow and red for the petals, but you can use any color or colors you'd like. We'll also be using green for the stem, glue, and scissors. The first step after gathering your materials is to add some texture to your crepe paper by cutting it to have a fringe. This will give your petals a little more personality and make it look more like a real marigold. To make things slightly easier and faster, here you can see the crepe paper folded so the multiple layers can be cut all at once. It's suggested to cut about 2/3 into your paper for a fringe. After cutting your crepe paper, you'll start with one color and glue an end of it to the top of your wooden stick like so. You'll then proceed to wrap the crepe paper around the stick. You want to try and keep your paper wrapping around the same part of your stick. It helps to have one hand wrapping the paper and another pinching the base of the paper to the stick. When you get to the desired amount of paper wrapped around, typically a full flower or a half flower depending on how many colors you're using, you can cut or tear excess off, then glue the end to the stick. If you're using a second color or multiple colors, you'll repeat the previous steps of gluing an end of the crepe paper to where you were already wrapping. Wrap, then glue again. After wrapping the petals around your stick, you'll use the green crepe paper to wrap the base of your flower and the stem. For this flower, the green crepe paper is cut in half lengthwise to make wrapping easier for this step. You'll glue an end of your green crepe paper to the base of your flower and proceed to wrap it a few times around the base before continuing to wrap it down the wooden stick. When you get to the bottom of the stick, it is suggested to wrap it around the bottom, then back up the stick a little bit before tearing or cutting excess and gluing your end to the stick.